Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Let's just wait a minute for everyone to join. Okay then. So let's start. So good evening, everyone. So last class, long back. So we had stopped till substitution method, isn't it? We had completed the substitution method. So I'm going to start with elimination method. So people who have missed, need not worry. You can check it out the YouTube link. Okay, you will get all the missed portions. So it will be better if you guys keep your videos on. Okay. So let's start with elimination method. Okay. So put the heading as elimination method and then just start it. Okay. Let's start with elimination method. Okay. The name itself indicates elimination. So basically in this chapter, we'll have two variables, right? So pair of linear equations in two variables. So it is always easy to solve when we have got only one variable. For example, I'll give you a simple example. 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. If I ask you to solve for x in the sense, find the value of x. What will you do? It is very easy, right? You will just simply transpose pi to the other side. 3x is equal to 20 minus 5. So 3x is equal to 15. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So you get 15 by 3. 15 by 3 is nothing but 5. So it's very easy to solve when you got only one variable. But in this chapter, we are discussing about two variables. So the name itself indicates elimination method. So out of two variables, I guess now it's visible. Yeah. Out of two variables, you're going to eliminate one variable so that it is easy to solve. Okay. I'll take one question. What was the first question that we took in substitution method? Can anyone tell me? Or let me take a new question.
Sir, the first in substitution method, first question was x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 26.
Okay. What will be the question number? Let's continue.
That was question number for continuing is 18.
Okay, 18. So x plus y is equal to 4x plus, what is it?
You had given in last class 4x minus 3y is equal to 26.
Okay, is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But the last equation was x plus y is equal to 3.
Okay, x plus y is equal to 3. Let's take it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just wanted to solve the same question so that it will be easy to compare the answers. A second, just a second. Okay. Now here you got two variables, right? You got x and y. You're going to eliminate one variable. It's your wish. You can eliminate x or y. It's your wish, okay? I'll always choose to eliminate x, okay? Decided. We have decided which variable we are going to eliminate, okay? What is the procedure? Observe the coefficients of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. Coefficient in the sense, x jote n multiply agide. X jote n number illa, 1 alba. So coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of x is here is 4. To eliminate is nothing but subtraction. Alva. You got a 5. Okay. Which number should I take so that my answer is 0? What should I do to eliminate this? I've got a 5. What should I do to eliminate this? I should take minus 5, right?
Minus 5.
5 minus 5 gives you 0, right? That is what we are going to do. We are trying to eliminate the x variable. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4x ಇದೆ. If both are same, I can easily eliminate, right? So how am I going to do it? So here it is 1, here it is 4. So you're going to take the LCM of 1 and 4. What is the LCM of 1 and 4?
4.
4. Very good. LCM with 1 is always that number itself. Now you have to make this 1 as 4. How will you make 4? By multiplying it, alva? So let's take the first equation. X plus y is equal to 3. Illi coefficient 1 ide. So if I want to make it 4, what should I do? I should multiply by 4. Can I multiply only for this? No. So I have to entirely multiply by 4. Now it is already 4. Need not multiply. Okay. 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. Simple agi heltini. Illi coefficient 1 ide, illi 4 ide. What is the LCM of 1 and 4? 4. Okay. ಈ 1 4 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 4 ಆಗಬೇಕು. This is already 4, so don't worry. This is not 4. How will you make it 4? By multiplying. Okay, let's multiply now. I don't have space, I'm writing it here. You can continue below itself. 4 into x is 4x, 4 into y is 4y, 4 into 3 is 12. You have to multiply for everything. Now write down the second equation as it is. 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. Now please observe. If we have to subtract it, right? So to subtract it, what should you do? You have to change the sign. Simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, if both these two numbers have got same sign, illu plus ide, plus ide. So simply change the sign throughout. So this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. I'll repeat it again. When both the numbers have got same sign, e4 plus ide, e4 plus ide, then change the sign throughout. But if they've got opposite sign, for example, like this, plus 4x minus 4x. Okay, let me write it fast. If they've got it like this, why am I changing the sign? Very simple. You have to subtract it, right? When will you subtract it? Opposite signs. But it is same sign. Illu plus ide, illu plus ide. You can't subtract it. So to subtract it, you're going to change the sign. You cannot change only for this. You have to change throughout. So that is what I have done. Okay. Let's do it. Plus 4x minus 4x gets cancelled. Now observe, this number has got positive sign. This number has also got positive sign. You have to check the new one, not the old one. Okay. So both are positive. You must add it. 4y plus 3y is 7y. Now observe here, this number has got positive sign, but this number has got negative sign. Opposite sign, you have to subtract it. 26 minus 12 is 14. Is it correct? Or should I do some changes over there?
Minus 12. 7 you have to bring down.
Minus 14. Why is it minus 14? Bigger number sign. 26 has got negative sign, so it is minus 14. Okay, therefore y is equal to minus 14 divided by 7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are, therefore y is negative 2. You got the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x also. It is very easy. You can take any equation you wish. The original ones or the, the changed ones. Your wish. Let me take the original one itself. X plus y is equal to 3. X as it is. What is the value of y? Minus 2. Equal to 3. X plus into minus is minus. Send that minus 2 to the other side. I mean transpose it. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So x value is 5 and y value is minus 2. Okay. How do you know whether you have got it correct or not? Simply substitute here in the question and check. X value is 5, y value is minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. X value is 5. So 5 into 4 is 20. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26. Both the LHS and RHS are same. Illiro values na question alli substitute madi. LHS, RHS same bandre, your answers are correct. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes.
That is how you verify in the exam.
Yes.
Whether you have got it correct or not. I'll simply repeat it again. Okay, this is a question. What is the first step? Choose a variable which you want to eliminate. It's your wish. X adru eliminate madi, y adru eliminate madi. Okay, I always choose x. Okay, how do you eliminate it? Make sure the coefficients are same. Illi x coefficient 1 ide, illi x coefficient 4 ide. Do you remember in fractions idre, if the denominators are not same, what will you do? How do you make them? How do you make the denominator same? Using LCM alva. Same concept. Illi x coefficient 1 ide, illi x coefficient 4 ide. Different ide alva. So take LCM and make them same. Okay, I've made them same. Very important step is, if both the numbers have got same sign, illu plus ida, illu plus ida, then change the sign. If both the numbers have got different sign, don't do anything, proceed further. Let's do many examples so that you'll understand. Please do this. I'll give one more problem, okay? I hope you have finished it. Can I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can also let me know if I'm going fast, okay? I hope you understand. So I'm a bit fast. If you want me to reduce it, I can. No issues. But if you're not understanding anything, you can be frank, okay? Please tell me that you're not understanding. So I'll try to do it in another way. But I'll make sure that you understand. Okay, let me erase this. I'll solve one more problem, then I'll give you problems to solve, okay? I hope you have finished it. Please maintain a proper notes. It will be useful during your exam times. Okay, let me take a question. Please listen carefully. This is your 19th one. 2x minus 3y equals 13. 7x minus 2y equal to 20. Okay, solution. It's your wish. You can eliminate any variable you choose. Okay, I always eliminate x. Now, what is the first step? You have to make the coefficients same, isn't it? Here x coefficient is 2. Here x coefficient is 7. They are not same. How do you make them same? How do you make them same?
By taking LCM.
Okay, let's take the LCM of what and what?
7 and 2.
2 and 7. So LCM of 2 and 7 is what? 14. Isn't it? So this 2 should become 14. This 7 should also become 14. This 2 na 14 madbekandre what should you multiply? You should multiply by 7. 6.
No, sorry, sir, 7.
7 throughout by 7. This is throughout by 2. Okay, let's multiply. I don't have space, so I am doing it this side. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. What is 13 7s are? 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 20 is 40. Now observe. My question to Liba, I hope I pronounced it properly. Liba, should I change the sign of the second equation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to change it. Very good, very good. Because both the signs are same. Here also it is plus 14x. Here also it is plus 14x. If both are with same sign, change the sign. Okay, throughout. So this plus will become minus. This minus will become plus. And this plus will become minus. Okay. So plus 14x minus 14x gets cancelled. Be careful. Here it is negative sign. The new sign is positive. So both are different sign. You must subtract it. 21 minus 4 is 17. 21 is the bigger number. It has got negative sign. So minus 17 equal to 91 minus 40. 91 minus 40 is 51. Therefore, y is equal to 51 by minus 17. 17 ones are, 17 threes are. Many classes I've already told you, you can get the negative sign in the denominator to the numerator. Doesn't matter. So y is equal to negative 3. What will be the next step? Take any equation you choose. Let me take the first one itself. put the value of y here, that is -3, and calculate the value of x. I guess from here you can do it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. X is 11. Okay, let's just check it. No, x is not 11. Madhura, check it. It should be 2, I guess. -3 into -3 is 9. -9. +9, sorry, +9 goes that side, will become -9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Check it out, Madhura. Sinchana, Trisha, are you guys getting it, or is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, good. It's a very, very simple method, and it's a very important method. You're going to use it in many places.
X is equals to 11, sir.
X is equal to 11. Even you got the same thing. Just check it out. How come you are getting 11?
Sir,
you are doing a mistake. It is -3, right?
Sir, X equals 2.
Sir, 2
Yeah,
is the
X
answer.
equal to 2 is correct. Y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ -3 ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಚೆ ಇದೆ. -3 into -3 is +9. ಆ +9 ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yeah?
Sir, is the answer is 2?
Yeah, the answer is 2. Very good. How do I pronounce your name? Madhukesh. I mean, it's not full, I guess. There are 3 dots. Madhukeshwara. That's it? Is that your name? Vishwas, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Madhukeshwara, is it correct what I'm pronouncing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I call you Madhu? Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. So I hope everyone has got x, the value of x as 2. Be careful. So whenever there is a negative sign, be very cautious, okay? That is where we make mistake. So in place of y, I guess I did not do it, but I'll just do it. 2x minus 3y equal to 13. 2x minus 3. Do not write -3 just like this. The meaning changes. It is 3 into y. So brackets are equals 13. 2x plus 9. -3 into -3 is plus 9 equal to 13. From here, I guess you can solve it. Okay, then I'll give one more question. People who have solved it can try out this. Yeah, this will be 20th one. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, please solve it, 20th one. And if you finish, you can put your answers in the chat box. Please do not tell it.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, second when the value of x is -2 or +2?
+2. 13 minus 9 sigate. 13 minus 9 is 4. 2x equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. I've done it here. Sanika, +9 is alva.
Sir.
You have gone wrong. How come you got -2?
Sir, for 13 we have to like put the greater number sign, sir.
13 ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. This was the original equation. Original question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2x minus 3y equal to 13 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. I've taken that.
I got.
Yeah, okay, good. Take the original equation. That will be fine. Now solve this. Okay, once I complete this chapter, let me start with real numbers itself, because most of your schools have started with real numbers. I mean, they've already completed real numbers, polynomials, everything. Are there any students from state syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So there are many people from state board also. So the syllabus remains the same. Okay. So don't worry, you just concentrate on your exams. We'll be jumbling out the chapters, but we'll be covering all the chapters in your textbook. In state board people, you are lucky you'll be learning extra compared to other schools, because this is a CBSE thing which I'll be doing. It'll be easy also. It's not like CBSE state board. The portions are same. Only we differentiate with the name CBSE state board. But if you look into the textbook, same thing, same chapter, same concept. Nothing is different. You can also say state boards are CBSE. Okay, let me ask Trisha. Trisha, could you tell me what will be the first step?
Sir, we have to take LCM. LCM is 21.
Very good. LCM of what and what is 21, ma?
7 and 3.
Okay. Here, do not worry about the negative sign. Just concentrate on the numbers. So LCM of 3, 7 is 21. So what should I multiply to make it 21, 7?
7.
Here I have to multiply by 3. Yes, Sanchana, go on. Continue. What should I write? Okay, did I say Sanchana? I'm sorry. Trisha, continue.
Sir, 3 into 7 is 21.
21x
Plus 35y
minus 35y
is equal to 63.
19 sevens are 63. Yeah. Check it out.
133, sir.
Hmm. 3 into minus 7 is 21x. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. That's okay. Good, Trisha. Now, Sinchana. Is there anyone Sinchana? I'm using this name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sinchana, should I change the sign now? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Look,
Yes, sir.
should I change the sign?
Yes, sir.
No, ma, no. Yake no? Because E number ge positive sign ide, E number ge negative sign ide. Bere sign ide alva. Previous problem alli nodidre eradu number ge positive sign ittu. Same signs idre change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ sign idre change ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. So change ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You should not change it. So directly you can do it. Plus 21x minus 21x gets cancelled. Do not change the sign. Now it is minus and a plus. You have to subtract it. So what do you get? 26, right? Minus 26y equal to how much you get? 130.
Minus 9.
Sorry?
Answer is minus 9.
Okay. 30 by minus 26. I don't know how you got. I guess it is 26 ones are 26 fives are. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5. Just check it. How did you get 9? Very good, very good. Certain people have got the correct answers. Excellent. Isha has got correct. X has minus 2. Good. Y has minus 5. Excellent, Shisha. Madhura has got it correct. Vishwas has got it correct. Excellent, excellent. Very good. I'll repeat it again. Here, this number has got positive sign. This number has got negative sign. Bere sign ide. So sign na change madadilla. But previous problem, both the numbers had same sign. So we were changing it. Okay. So plus and minus cancel agate. Il minus ide, il plus ide. So you have to subtract it. 35 minus 9 is 26. Greater number sign. 133 minus 3 is 130. So you got y as minus 5. minus 5 na first equation. What is the first equation? 3x minus 5y equal to 19. Substitute the value of y here, you will get the value of x. I guess you should get the value of x as, what is the value of x? 25. So 6 minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yeah, x value is minus 2. Is that clear for everyone? X value is minus 2. Y value is negative 5. X value is minus 2. Do not write directly like this what I've written. Do the steps and write the answer. Again, why are we learning all this? These are basics. Simple thing here, it's like, what to say? Instead of telling it in a statement, we are writing it as an equation. Why some might have, why sir, we should learn all this stuff. Simple. Let's say you're going for a market. Okay. 1 kg apple, you're buying apple and orange. Okay. You're taking 1 kg of apple and 1 kg of orange. The total cost is 100 rupees. Okay, now I'm just saying it. 1 kg of apple is, I don't know, 1 kg of apple plus 1 kg of orange. Total cost is 100 rupees. Adana mathematically heng baribodu using this chapter itself. Let's say 1 kg of apple is X rupees, 1 kg of orange is Y rupees. Total cost is 100 rupees. So that is how we are getting equations. It is simply to represent any statement. Or sometimes to represent a graph also we'll be using this equation. That's it.
Sir, I'm not able to find the value of x, sir.
Okay, let's find it. Tell me from which step you are not able to find it.
Sir, as usual, I took the first equation, that is 3x minus 5y is equal to 19.
Okay.
And then 3x minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to 19.
Plus 25. Have you done this? Because minus into minus is plus 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After this, I'm not getting.
Transpose this 25 to the other side. Nimige x matra beku alva. Simple logic. X matra beku. So 25 bekidiya namge beda alva. Aa side kalisbidi. Transpose madi. This is like a compound. Compound inda aa side arsbidana. 19 minus 25. So what is 19 minus 25? Minus 6. Now again you want only this x. You don't want this 3. This 3 is in multiplication with x. Transpose it will become division. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, x is minus 2. Yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome. So is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Why no voice from Adarsh today? What Adarsh? Fully muted. Okay, let me give you another question. Okay, write out 21st one. 0.3x plus 0.5y equal to 0.5. 0.5x plus 0.7y equal to 0.74. Okay, people who have attended the previous class will know it. Can I start solving? Can I start solving the way which we were doing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Once again. Okay. No, why? Because the coefficients of x and y are in decimals. Illala decimals illide. Previous question alla nodidre integers irtittu 3, 4 atara. But il decimals bandile alva. Solve madabodu. From here also you can solve it directly, but it is very hectic. It will be very confusing. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll convert it. How will you convert it? Listen, 0.3x plus 0.5y equal to 0.5. People who have understood, you can start doing it. People who are looking in this for the first time, observe carefully. After decimal here you got one digit. After decimal you got one digit. After decimal you got one digit. Andre throughout after decimal you got only one digit. So andre decimal na shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 0.3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 03 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 03 is nothing but 3. ಸೊ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಬೈ 10. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಯಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಬೈ 10. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಬೈ 10. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 10 ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0.74 ಇರೋದು 7.4 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಡೂ?
Multiply by 100.
100. Why? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 times ನಾನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. So can I multiply only 100 for this? No, throughout I have to multiply. So multiply by 100. Simple. Point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 times ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The majority ones you have to consider. 0.7y equal to 0.74. ಇದನ್ನ throughout let's multiply by 100. So again ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 into 0.3. 10 into 0.3 ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ 0.3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0.3 is nothing but 3. 3x. 10 into 0.5 is 5y. 10 into 0.5 is 5. 100 into 5. Observe. 0.5 in the, 100 in the multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you have to shift the point 2 times towards the right. So one ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, again one ಸರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So you got 050. 050 is nothing but 50. So when you multiply 0.5 by 100, you get 50. 50x plus, I want Neha to tell me 0.7 into 100 will be what, Neha?
Sir, I guess 70.
You're very good. 70y. 0.74 into 100 is not 740. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 740 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 2 times shift ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 74 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Actually 74.0 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We'll simply write it as 74. You got the original form, right? Previous questions alla ee tara irtittu. I guess from here you can solve it. Yeah. 3x plus 5y is equal to 5. 50x plus 70y is equal to 74. From here you can solve it. So people who have attended for the first time, you can also understand decimals alli idre we have to convert it. How? By multiplication by 10 or 100 depending on the decimal digits. Someone has not muted it. Please mute it. Ananya, please mute it. Yeah. Yeah, done. That's okay, Madhura. No issues. The answer can be in decimals. No problem. Srisha, good. Minus 7 by 10. Is it minus 7 by 10 or positive 7 by 10? Just check it out. I'm not sure. Yeah. So let me ask Ashrita. Ashrita, what is the, obviously you have to take LCM. For which two numbers should I take the LCM, Ashrita?
So I was not attended next class.
Right? But I started today this. So you must be knowing it, right? It's okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ x ಅಥವಾ y ಯಾವುದನ್ನಾದರೂ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have seen this, right? Big Boss. In that they'll do elimination, right? Every week. The same thing we are doing here. We are doing elimination. Okay. So who's your who's not favorite to you, x or y? Tell me ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. Okay. So ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. So I don't like x. Okay. So let me remove it. So how do you eliminate it? That was just a lame joke. Okay. Don't consider it. So how do you eliminate x? To eliminate x, the coefficients must be same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ, x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 50 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಜೊತೆನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ LCM ತಗೋಬೇಕು. LCM of 3, 50. What is the LCM of 3, 50? It is 150 if I am not wrong. Yeah? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 150 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 3x ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ. 3x plus 5y is equal to 5. 50x plus 70y equal to 74. ಇವಾಗ LCM 150 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ 3 ಕೂಡ 150 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಈ 50 ಕೂಡ 150 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? Now Ashrita, can you tell me 3 ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 150 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into what gives you 150? I guess Madhura's answer is correct. Good, Charan. Adarsh, I don't think your answer is correct, Adarsh. Just check it out. You can also put the chat. Meanwhile, I'll be checking it. Ashrita, I'm not getting any answers from you. Okay, 3 ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 150 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 50 alva. So throughout you have to multiply by 50. Here you have to multiply by 3. So 53s are 150. 55s are 250. 55s are again 250. 3 into 50 is 150. 3 into 70 is 210. 3 into 74. 12, 1 carry, 222. Am I correct?
Yes,
sir.
Correct?
Now I want, let me ask Kumuda, will you change the sign, yes or no?
No, sir.
No, why? Because today is Wednesday.
Yes, sir. We will change the sign, sir.
We will change the sign, right? Why? Because both have got same sign, positive, positive. This is also plus 150x. This is also plus 150x. Throughout you have to change minus, minus, minus. Gets cancelled. This is plus, this is minus. Bare sign is subtract. So plus 250 minus 210 gives you 40y. This gives you how much? 28 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir, 28.
Therefore, y is equal to 28 by 40. It goes in 4 tables. 4 7s are, 4 10s are. Therefore, y is equal to 7 by 10. You can also write it as 0.7. Not an issue. It's left to you. Once you get the value of y, substitute in the first equation and find the value of x. Make it fast. Let's do one more problem. Yes, Adarsh. You can check it out the board. I've done it. Trisha, minus 2 by 3. I don't think so. Just check it out, Trisha. It should not be minus 2 by 3. 7 hakadre. 7 by 10 alva. 7 5 is 35. 35 by 10. 30. Is it correct? 2 by 3? I don't think so. It should be 1 by 2, I guess. Yeah, 0.5 barutte. 1 by 2 or 0.5. Tell me, Trisha, how you have done it?
Sir, 3x plus 5 into 7 by 10.
Okay, 1 nimsha. Barkoti nanu. 3x plus 5 into 7 by 10 equals 50. Once again. Three x plus 5 into 7 by 10 equal to 50. Yeah, continue.
Sir, 10, 5 ones are 5 twos are.
Very good. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 3x plus 7 by 2 equals 50. What will be the next step?
Sir, no, sir. I didn't take by 2.
You left this fellow 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do it. You can multiply throughout by 2 so that this 2 will be eliminated. So multiply by 2. 2 into 3x plus 2 into 7 by 2 equals 50 into 2. Multiply throughout by 2. That's it. 2 na eliminate madbekalva. This is the main headache. So you can eliminate madbekandre throughout multiply by 2. 2 will cancel agutte. 2 into 3x is 6x plus 7 equals 50 into 2 is 100. Therefore 6x equals 100 minus 7. Did I make any mistake? Is it correct?
Sir, is it minus 1?
Okay. It's not 50, right? It is 5. It is 5 over here. That's the mistake I made. It's 5 here. Be careful. It's 5. It's not 50. So, 10 barutte. 10 minus 7 is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, x value is 1 by 2 or 0.5. I got it correctly now. Risha, you made one more mistake here. It is not 50 here. It is 5. Just check it out. Yeah. You do not eliminate madbeku. How will you eliminate this 2? Throughout multiply by 2. So, idukku 2 multiply madi, idukku 2 multiply, idukku 2 multiply madi, you will get the answer.
Yes. Sir, even we can also take plus 7 by 2 into the RHS side, so it become minus 7 by 2.
Then you take LCM. Yeah. Isn't it? That's what you said, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is also correct. No problem. Here also you can take LCM. It's your wish. Yeah. The method should be correct and you should get the correct answer. No problem. You can do in any method. I hope I'm not fast. If I'm fast, please let me know. If you feel I'm going a bit fast. I appreciate if you keep your videos on. That will be very fine. Because if everything is blank, I won't get that feel, you know. I feel like that I'm going for a waltz. Like say, suppose you're talking to someone and they're not responding to you. How do you feel? You feel very bad, right? That's how I feel. Everyone's camera is off. I don't know to whom I'm talking. So if your videos is on, it will be nice. It's not to check you, so that it will be very joyful for me also. Mathematics are joy, always headache. You know. Yeah, thank you everyone for keeping your videos on. Yeah, then. So let's quickly do one more problem and let's just end today's day and today's class. Tomorrow we'll be starting with cross multiplication method. And very soon we'll be starting with graphical method. So please have graph sheets with you or graph book. Anything is fine. Okay, the next one. 22nd. X by 2 minus y by 9 equal to 6. X by 7 plus y by 3 equal to 5. Okay. Can I solve directly now? Can we proceed directly?
No, sir.
No. Why? What's the reason? Again, last time decimals itto. Ee sari fractions ide. X coefficient enide 1 by 2. It's not only 2 2's in the denominator. So it is 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 9. So you have to convert it. How do you do it? So let me ask. Yes, Kirtana, could you tell me what should we do to get it in the standard form? The fractions is 2 is in the denominator, 9 is in the denominator. What will you do? Charan, MR?
Take 6 also.
Sorry?
Take LCM of 2 by 9 for 6.
Yeah, take LCM of 2 and 9. For 6, I don't know what you meant. Let's take the LCM of 2 and 9, which is 18. So, 2 and 18 agbeku, 9 kuda 18 agbeku. So, x by 2 barkolana, 2 18 agbeku andre 9 multiply madbeku for both numerator and denominator. I cannot multiply only the denominator, I should also multiply the numerator. Minus y by 9. This 9 18 madbeku andre multiply and divide by 2. So you get 9 into x is 9x. Let me do it here. 9 into x is 9x minus 2 into y is 2y by 18. Here also you get 18 equal to 6. Now both the denominators are same, so you can write it once. Equals 6. This is a common denominator. Andre eradu term it belongs to both the terms, so I can send it the other side. 9x minus 2y equals 6 into 18. So 9x minus 2y equals 144. I'm sorry. Just wrote 144. 128. This is your first equation. You do not write first equation. So you got it in the standard form. Again, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. 108. Yeah. Next is take this equation, do the same procedure. Here you got 7 and 3 in the denominator. Take the LCM and do the same procedure. You'll get one more equation. Okay. Is that clear for everyone? Here the denominators are in fraction. You got it in fraction. So take LCM and get it in the standard form. Then again solve it. If you do it properly, you should get this as your second equation. 3x plus 7y equal to 105. Nimge LCM kashta agtide andre, I'll also teach you another easy way. Just observe here. You might know it, okay? But people who don't know it, just listen. I'll teach you another easy way. I mean, this is applicable only for two terms. Illon term ide, illon term ide. What you have to do is multiply the denominator. 9 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 na multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 9 2s are 18. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 9 into x is 9x. 2 into y is 2y. Direct ಆಗಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. 18 ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. 9x minus 2y equal to 6 into 18. 6 into 18 is 108. See, you got it very easily. Similarly, you can do for that. X by 7 plus y by 3 equals 5. Denominators na multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Cross multiply. 3 into x is 3x. 7 into y is 7y equal to 5. 21 na side kalsi 5 into 21 is 105. 3x plus 7y is equal to 105. You can also do this. Yeah. But I suggest to go with the LCM method so that you won't do any mistake. Okay. That is just a shortcut one. Now these are your rectified ones. From here you have to solve it by elimination method. I guess you can do it from here, right? One second. Okay. Yes, has anyone got the answer of x and y? Simple here. They are in fractions. X coefficient and 1/2 it is in fraction. So you have to make it as integer by taking LCM.
Finished, sir.
Just tell me the answer. Sashrita, will you tell me the answer now? At least how to solve it? 9
Sir, y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 14.
14 2s are 28. X is equal to 9. 9 9s are 81. You're not getting it. Okay, x is equal to 14. Okay, 126. 9 2s are 18. Yeah. Ashita, will you tell me how to solve this by elimination method? What should we do? Okay, she's not there, I guess. Ashita. Okay, Charan, MR. Sir. Madhura, I don't think the answer is correct. Charan, look it and tell me the answer. Yes, Charan, tell me.
So 9, 1 second. So 27x.
How did you get 27x? 9x ante 27x ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು?
Into 3 ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 3 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಂಟು ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು
ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟು 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Sir, can I say, sir?
No, I know it. Like Charan,
Sir.
yeah, most of you have this notion that illiro 3 na illi multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, illiro 9 na illi multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yeah, that's not the correct way. That is also a way. That is also correct. I'm not saying it is wrong. That is also correct. But ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 9 and 3 ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 9 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ 3 ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? LCM ತಗೊಂಡು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 9 and 3? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are. So what is the LCM? The LCM is 3 into 3 is 9. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ LCM ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೋ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಈ 3 ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 9 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೇನೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ LCM you get it, these numbers should become that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, no issues. This 3 should become 9. See here, previous procedure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ.
should write 9, sir. You written 3.
It's 3. It's correct, right?
You should write 9, no, sir. 9 3s have become 27.
What I'm saying, usually what you will do is ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. That is bit lengthy. That is correct, not a problem. But
sir, second equation 3x plus 2 not no sir, 7 no sir, 7y.
Sorry ma, yeah, thank you for the correction. 3x plus 3y into 3. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. LCM ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, 3 ಜೊತೆ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 3. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು 9 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು 9 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 9 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Isn't it easy? Write the first equation as it is. 9x minus 2y equal to 108. This multiply. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 7 is 21. 3 into 105 is 315. ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9x ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9x minus 9x gets cancelled. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. What is the sign here? Don't look at this sign, look at the new sign. So this is negative. Both are negative, add it. Write the greater number sign. 21 here minus is so minus. 315 minus 108. Yake minus. This number is positive, this number is negative. Different sign you have to subtract it. So how much you get? If I'm not wrong, it should be 207 minus 207. Am I right? Yeah. Therefore, y is equal to minus 207 divided by minus 23. Minus minus cancel agate. 23 tables alle hogote. 23 ones are, 23 nines are. Therefore, y value is 9. Ee y value na first equation ide alva. Ee first equation alli substitute madidre x value sigutte. Is that clear for everyone? I hope I'm not confusing. Yeah, Vishwas got the answer correctly. Good, Vishwas. Okay. Adarsh got the answer correctly. Diksha got the answer correctly. Vishwas. Madhura, did you get the answer correctly enough? Did you check it?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So Charan, what you were doing is also correct, not a problem. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 you will get 324 I guess. ಮತ್ತೆ 9 3s are 27, 9 7s are 9 into 105. ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು correct. X is 14 and Y is 9. Yes, Shashank, it's correct, Shashank. X value should be 14 and Y value should be 9. I hope everyone has done this. So I'll just give one homework problem. That's enough for the day. We have completed with the elimination method. See, whatever I do in the class is not enough. You should also try out many problems. Only then you will get it. Okay. Let me give you a question. In homework, I guess it will be 5th question, right? In homework, it will be a 5th problem. So homework is separate numbers maintain ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So it's 5th problem, I guess. X by 3 plus Y by 4 equals 11. 5x by 6 minus Y by 3 equal to minus 7. Okay. Solve this by elimination method. That's your homework. If you have got the value of x here, y is 9, x value is 14. X value is 14.
X value 14, sir.
Yeah. Good. Any method you do it, no problem, but you should get the answer correctly and the method should be correct. Okay. So that's it for the day, guys. If you're finished, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye and thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.